It's not about posting and getting people to join you. It's about connecting and creating from a place of purpose to let others feel something. No one wants to see another ad or how perfect your life is. It's about like creating from purpose. So I'm just gonna give it to you straight because that's how I roll. I'm vision focused. I was never rank focused, money focused, title focused, Tuesday paycheck focused. I was vision focused since October 2017. And you guys, vision pulls you. It makes you emotionally attached to your dreams. And I'm gonna tell you, working for a paycheck, you're gonna run the first time adversity hits. Working for a paycheck will only take you so far, but a vision, y'all, that's deep. It's rooted in your heart. It allows you to cherish this business and you start treating it and honoring it as a gift.
So we would be misleading you guys if we didn't tell you guys that there would be hard times in this business. Our journey, my wife and I's journey in this business has been one for the books. You know, we've struggled with a lot of different things. We've struggled with our team crumbling. We've struggled with people leaving, you know, and we didn't always have the finances to kind of keep up with our business. You know, we came home to the car repossessed one time, came home to the gas off. We came home to the water bill being overdue, you know, so, you know, how do you keep going when all of that's going on, guys? And like you said, you have to have a vision. We had a vision for our family. We knew what this business and this opportunity could do for us. Like if you haven't heard my story, guys, I'm a high school graduate. I have a felony on my record. And this was the only thing that I saw that I had a chance to give my family the opportunity to do something with our business. So, if you guys are sitting in that crowd and you think that you cannot make this business happen, I'm here to tell you that you are wrong. We have the best products on the market. We have the best business plan on the market. And if you don't step up, somebody's gonna step up for you, so.
And I wanna tell you, whatever you brought in here that was hard, you weren't made to just survive. You were made to thrive, and I'm gonna tell you the way you're gonna thrive. You've got a community that is now family of choice. And this community has absolutely rallied. Our corporate team, our leadership has rallied. So whatever you're walking through, whatever you will walk through, someone else is gonna walk through. But because of you, they're gonna know, I can also stand because we have a product, we have a business, and we have a community that does life better together.